Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you three very important and very useful tricks in Excel. The first one is calculating the total price from the quantity and given rate. Usually what we do, we press equal to, select this column, press into and then select this cell, press enter. But see what happens? This shows a value error. Why is it so? Because here a kg is given with the number and here also is per kg given with the number. So it cannot evaluate the numbers. So we will see how we can achieve that. Second thing, we will learn how we can extract day, month and year from a given date without using a formula. Although we can do it using a formula very easily, process I'll show is also very easy, and in some interview it may be asked. So I'm sharing with you this trick. And the third one I'm going to share with you is another trick. Suppose when we type a longer text in Excel, suppose it's a name, and when we press enter, this cell does not expand. It comes to the second cell and overlaps the second cell. And if we want to match the content, if we want to match the width of the column with the content, we have to either drag it like this or we have to double click on this, then it will adjust with the content's width. But then we can do it automatically in Excel. So I'll show that how you can achieve that. So stay tuned with me, watch the video till the end. I'll be back in a few seconds.
Hello friends, welcome to my new channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and select all to get all future notifications of our video uploads.
So for the first trick, as I was saying, if we multiply these two cells, this will generate a value error. So then how to achieve that? I'll show you a very simple trick by which you can do that. So for this, first press the hash key on the keyboard, then the number in this cell, the number portion, which is 5, then press the star or multiply key, and then the number in this cell, which is 300. Now press enter. Then we will use a shortcut key, which is Ctrl and E. This is a shortcut for flash fill. Now if we press Ctrl and E on the keyboard, you see all the number portions from every cell has come into this list. But this is also not showing the total value. Now we need to calculate the total value of these multiplications. So how to do that? We will select the top cell from here, press Ctrl and H on the keyboard. It will show find what and replace with what. In the find what section, we will give a hash and replace with an equal to, and click on this replace all button. Just see the magic. I am clicking on this replace all button, click on OK and close. You can see all the multiplications are properly done now. Isn't this very easy and handy? So next time you have this kind of table, you can easily calculate the multiplication, addition or subtraction, whatever calculation is required. Do not forget to tell me in the comments how you like this. Next, moving to the next trick that I am going to share with you is how to extract day, month and year from a given date. For this, we will select all the given dates, press Ctrl C and copy, go to the next column, press enter, again select this, press Ctrl C, press enter. The column width is a little shorter, so it was showing in hash. Now select from here and press enter. Instead of doing it like this, we can also do it in another way, just expanding the columns a little. Select this, press Ctrl and bring the pointer closer to the right edge of the column and then drag it to the next column. We can do it in this way also. So we have 4 columns with same dates. Now what we will do, we will select these cells in the day column, click on Ctrl and 1 on the keyboard, which will open the format cell dialog box, and it is selected date. Now we will go to the custom option, and in the type section we will type capital D, 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 4 times D and select OK. See, it has changed to the day. Now in the next column we want the months. So we will select the given dates, press Ctrl 1 again. In the custom option, we will go to the type section and then type M, 4 times M in capital and click on OK. See, it has easily changed to the names of the month. And for the year, it's also similar. We will select the cells and press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard. Go to custom. In the type section, type Y, 4 times Y in capital and select OK. So this will extract the year from the given dates. See how simply we did it without any formula. I hope you liked this trick also. Please let me know in the comments. And then the next trick I am going to share with you is how we can automatically expand a column with its contents width. So for this I am reducing the width of this column. Now see, if I type anything Arjun Kumar Singh, this column did not fit the width of the text. So how we can achieve that? It's also very easy. We have to right click on the name of the worksheet that we are working on here and select view code. Click on this option and here a notepad like option comes. So we have to select here from general to worksheet. So it opens an option like this, private sub worksheet selection. We have nothing to do there. We have to write here in between the private sub and end sub. And then we will type here cells dot entire column dot autofit, and we will close this Microsoft Visual Basic for application window. Simply close this, no need to save or nothing. And then you see, now just we click on the cell, the width of the cell automatically adjusted. See, if we go to the B column and type another name, the width of the column automatically adjusted. So it will happen for the entire workbook. In any cell we move and type any text, if the text width is wider than the column's width will automatically adjust. We need not to manually adjust the column width. See, I am showing in another column. I am just pressing enter and the column width automatically adjusts. So these were the tricks for today. I'll come up with new tricks in my next video. If you like today's video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel RG's Computer Tips and Tricks. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice time. Thank you for watching.